Hi. Okay, good morning, Josh. Good morning. It's Nikki Soyupik. I want to thank our caller, our viewer in from Mamdritlak, Alice, who shared her Yuchtun Daringutik commands. Her two dogs understand these commands. So I'm going to share them with you. I'm going to say them twice, and then I will write them down. And remember, in Yuchtun, Yupik, the ka is like a raven sound. So it's like a ka, right here. Ka, ka, ka. Okay? So, bicha, bicha, bicha chara, like you pray, bicha. Itra, itra, get in the house. Agua, awa, get out of the way. And we remember, we'll go over dai dai, come. Nri, eat. Akumi, sit down. Jamai, it's a shake. It also means welcome. So, jamai. Weave luten. Quatten. Weave luten. Go around in circles. Kitchka. Jump. Inachten. Lay down. Remember when the T-E-N or U-T-E-N is at the end, it's like you. So, weave luten, you go around in circles. Inachten, you lay down. Now where is he, she, it? In Yuchtun, we don't have pronouns. So if we say asichtuk, he, she, it is good. So it's all in one. So now where is he or where is she? Gaga. Listen. Yakulik. Bird. That's if they hear a bird, like Gaga, yakulik. Listen, it's a bird. Ding soon. Plane. If they hear an airplane, Gaga, ding soon. Now listen. Is it a? Where's the? Listen, plane. Where is it? Shami. This one's hard. When you do the, you're gonna put your tongue at the roof of your mouth on the and you're gonna go shami. Sha is weather outside. Shami, outside. Atra, get down. So those are some Yuchtun commands. Remember, we don't have pronouns, so we would say Kitchkak. He, she, it is jumping. We've luten, if it's the luten, duten, at the end it's you. You go around in circles. So those are some Yuchtun commands. Goyana Alice for tuning in from Mamdritlak, originally from Atmaushok, and Goyana for sharing what your Qimuchtik knows. This is Qimuchta Antiniki. Have a good morning.